Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. Today's video is my fall FabFitFun unboxing for you. FabFitFun is a lifestyle box for $49.99 a season, and you get all kinds of fun goodies inside this box. You do fill out a profile, so you do get items that are more aligned with what you like for your lifestyle. And it is a seasonal box, and you do get all kinds of relevant and useful products. So I really do love the FabFitFun lifestyle box, and I always look forward to getting it and super excited to see what is inside the fall box. So let's do it. Let's do it. I do have my sidekicks here with me. Xana's here. Do you want to say hi to everybody? You want to peek up and say hi? Say hello. You're sleeping, huh? Can you say hi? Wyatt, I believe, is underneath my chair. So here is the inside of my box. It always says FabFitFun. They always give you a booklet that tells you about the products inside your box. And I'm going to just dig right in. Ooh, look at all the goodies. And let's see if I can find some of these. All right, cool. So I can tell you about them. Right off the bat, I see something pink, and this is a after spa hair towel. Hands-free, lightweight, drying hair towel. Love it. Check that out. What do you think, Xana? Do you need a hair towel? She's sniffing it. She thinks it might be for her. I love it says for your hair at the top and shows the little tub. This is cool. So it says, this towel is designed with an elastic loop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. And the retail value of this is $18. I believe that usually you get you pay $49.99 and the retail value of your box is like over $200 every time. I'm going to open this up and show it to you. I was just trying to figure out the best way to open this. And since I have no clue, we're going to just go for the top. What do you think, Zay? She's fascinated. She thinks this might be for her. I'm sorry, baby girl. It's a hair towel. Do you want me to wrap your hair in it? Oh, check that out. So it does have the elastic and the little button. That's so cute. And then they show you on the back here how to put it on your head and wrap it all up and button it. And in the front, how it's supposed to look. So you pretty much put it on like this over your head and then wrap it around and button it. So cute. There's a little elastic loop here that goes on the button. I love it. I love that it's pink too. That's so cute. All right, that's my first item. I love these items because they're so useful. And it even gives you directions. Place button at the nape of the neck as pictured above and wrap around your hair. Twist multiple times to secure the elastic loop around the button on the back. And you just machine wash cold and tumble dry later to wash it. Awesome. All right, next. What is this? Juice Cleanse, exfoliating sugar cubes, Harper and Ari. So check these out. So first of all, here is what it looks like. Check that out. Ooh, they smell heavenly. I love that. And what does this say? And not everybody, like I said, gets everything because it's based on your preferences. But this is the Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes and Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. They do smell wonderful. And these are valued at $16. Love that. Okay, next, check out these earrings by Bobble Bar. the Ferret Ear Crawler. I always get jewelry in my FabFitFun boxes. Check those out. So pretty. So they are an ear crawler, which leads me to believe they're supposed to go up your neck, up your neck. Oh, I can't talk today. Up your ear. These are the Bobble Bar Ferret Ear Crawlers. From the intricate embellishments to the modern silhouette, these earrings are absolute showstoppers. And the value of them are $34. They don't show them on anyone's ear, they just show them right there. So let's see if I can show them to you. I don't know if I can, but we will try. We'll see if I can get them. All right, I got them on. Here's what they look like. What do you guys think? Bobble Bar climber earrings. Pretty. Very pretty. Okay, let's keep going. There's more stuff. And did you guys notice when I showed you the earrings, here's the total value of the box. So based on the items that you got, it could be $211 to $345.99 based on which items you received in your box. These are pretty, aren't they? Okay. Next, I got Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. Instant Visible Repair protects from heat and styling by Aveda. And this is infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. And the retail value is $30. All right, more stuff. Next up is Human Plus Kind Skincare with a Conscience. Body Souffle, Cream Souffle. Natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. Full size. I like this. This is a lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Light and fluffy body souffle. Quickly absorbs to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. And this is almost 7 full ounces. This is cool. Let's see if it gives us any more information about this. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. And the retail value is $18. There's still more stuff in here. Wonder Bar Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. Oh, and I got a bunch of them in here. Very cool. There's, I think, yeah, there's 6 of them in here. Let's see what it says. Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask 6-pack. These eye masks feature hyaluronic acid, aloe leaf extract, and lavender oil to deeply hydrate the skin after offering a cooling effect for $25. So those are nice for traveling as well, right? That's nice. What else? I got this, the Plush Stay Warm in Style Ultra Plush Plaid Scarf. This is nice. I like the colors in this, and I do believe you got to pick. This was one of the items that you got to pick which option you wanted. I think there were different colors. Or yeah, there was different options. So there's only one color I see. The Plush Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf. Nothing says fall like a cozy scarf, especially when it comes in a classic plaid print. And the retail value of that is $75. I wish you guys could feel this. It's so, so, so soft. So soft. And it's going to be very large. Let's see. Nice and cozy. I like to use some of my scarves for wraps as well. So here it is folded in half. So I wanted to get the whole thing in the frame. So nice. So I would use this as a scarf or as a wrap. I take these on planes and use them as blankets. So lots that you can do with this. And I believe I have one more item inside here. I have pieces of paper going everywhere. You just see this. All right, and isn't this cool? This is a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. And let's see, it says twine cheese board with plate, a removable ceramic plate, stainless steel cutlery, and a chic acacia wood serving platter. Yes, cheese. And the retail value of that is $30. So let's check this out. Checking to see if my earrings were staying in place, and they seem to be. They're pretty. Oh, look how pretty, Zena. Look how pretty this is. So it has the little serving tray and the little servers as well. Very pretty. Very pretty. So it has the wood cheese board, the ceramic plate, and 2 stainless steel cheese knives. And it's 11 inches by 7 inches. It just says do not microwave. So nice. I love this. So there's lots of other options that you could have gotten that I didn't get. There was a little cut from the cloth slim striped wallet. There was a Kate Spade lunch tote that you got to pick from. I didn't pick that one. I did add the Akai, let me see where, oh, there was an Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. So these were some options that you could have gotten. You could have also gotten them extra and just paid extra for them. I didn't choose to do that. So many things that you could have added if you wanted to. This was the little wallet by Cut from the Cloth. So fun. I love FabFitFun lifestyle box. It's such a fun seasonal box. They also donate to charities. So this one they're working on is Dollars for Change. So they're raising awareness and funds for charities and organizations season after season. So check out the impact we made for the Global Gift Foundation, USA and Eva Longoria Foundation for the summer of 2019. And this one is the City of Hope. This is the one they're giving to for fall. So fun. I like this. I hope you enjoyed this. I could get lost in some of these things talking about them for probably too long. So sorry if I was a little chatty. I hope you enjoyed my FabFitFun box for fall. Thanks for hanging out with me in the sidekicks for a little while. I hope you would click that like button. I would love it if you would hang around and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, everyone. Have an awesome day. Bye, everybody.